Mr. Cow is on site now. Make you wow no matter how. Today we're going to learn numbers and 1 to 7 song in Mandarin. Are you excited? Let's go!
Hello everyone! Welcome to Shan's channel. This is my helper, Mr. Cow.
Hello guys.
Hello Mr. Cow. Welcome. Are you ready to learn Mandarin with us? Let's get started.
Hi Shan. What's in your hand?
Oh, you mean this one? It's a box. I'm gonna need your help to pull out the drawer and see what's inside.
Sure. Let me try. Oh, there's nothing inside. You tricked me.
Oh, that's impossible. Let me use some magic power, okay? So can you please help me close it and give it a magic blow?
Of course.
Let's see what will happen when you open it. Ready?
Whoa, that's magic. How did you do that? That's amazing. There's lots of numbers.
Thank you. I hope you love it. Yes, these are what we're going to learn today. Numbers, 数字. Today, I also invite a new friend, Miss Chipmunk, to learn numbers with us. Hi!
Hi.
Let's get started. Number 1 in Mandarin is 一. Number 2 in Mandarin is 二.
R.
3 is 三.
Shan.
Great job. Number 4 in Mandarin is 四.
4.
Amazing. 5 in Mandarin is 五.
5.
Number 6, 六.
6.
And last one is number 7, 七.
7.
Thank you, Miss Chipmunk. And thank you, Mr. Cow.
No problem.
Now we're going to learn a song called 1 to 7 to practice all the numbers we've learned today and also include the fruits we've learned from last video. Are you ready? Let's slow down. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 苹果、香蕉和橘子，草莓、西瓜和芒果。1、2、3、4、5、6、7。Now let's sing this with Mr. Cow together. Are you ready, Mr. Cow?
Yes, I'm ready.
Great job! 1、2、3、4、5、6、7，苹果、香蕉和橘子，草莓、西瓜和芒果。1、2、3、4、5、6、7。Good job! High five! Yes! Mr. Cow, how old are you?
I'm 5 years old.
Oh, so I'm 5 years old in Mandarin is 我5岁. Say 我5岁.
我5岁.
How about Miss Chipmunk?
I know. She's 4 years old.
So 她4岁. Say 她4岁.
她4岁.
That means she is 4 years old. Okay, do you remember we learned family members in the very first video? Let's see if you still remember how to say them in Mandarin. So, how old is your older brother, Mr. Cow?
他7岁，
Oh, great job! So that means he is 7 years old. How about your older sister? 姐姐几岁？
他6岁，
Oh, so she is 6 years old. How about 弟弟？弟弟几岁？ How old is your younger brother?
他3岁，
Great job. 他3岁 means he is 3 years old. Last one will be your younger sister, 妹妹. So how old is your younger sister?
他1岁。
So she is 1 year old. Great job. Thank you. I'm glad you still remember all of them.
Thank you.
That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Please comment down below this video or let me know what else you would like to learn in Mandarin.
If you like our video, please subscribe and give us a like. Remember,
Shan will make you shine.